I make 6 or 7 figures a year as a content creator, but it still feels like I'm broke. That right there is the thing I hear most from creators and influencers. It's not your spending, it's your structure. Let me show you exactly why your money disappears and how to fix it. Now, most creators think I just need to earn more, but I've worked with influencers earning in 7 figures who are still anxious about money. Why? Because no one teaches them how to actually manage it. Not school, not platforms, not agencies, and definitely not accountants who don't get the creator economy. Now, here's what I see all the time. You've got brand deals landing, YouTube pays out, maybe you've launched a course or got some affiliate income rolling in, but here's the problem. It all hits one account. You spend as it comes and you don't know what's yours, what's tax, and what's business. So every single month ends with the same feeling. Wait, I made 20K. Where did it all go? You're not broke, you're just unstructured. Creators aren't taught how to handle inconsistent income, and traditional accountants, they don't understand how being paid in 6 different currencies on 5 different platforms work, but I do because I work with creators like you every single day. Let me break this down for you. Here's a basic structure. Whether you're earning 100,000 pounds or 3 million pounds a year, doesn't matter. Step 1, split your accounts. You need at least 3 accounts. One where all your business income lands. Let's call it a business income account. Second is where you save for your tax. Let's call it a tax reserve account. And third is your personal pay account. Now stop mixing everything in one pot. Step 2, build a rule for every single payment. Let's say you made 10K this month, 30% goes to tax, 20% profit buffer for reinvestment, and the rest pay yourself. Treat your business like a business. And then step 3 is pay yourself like a boss, not a friend. Set a consistent monthly salary from your business. You're gonna feel grounded instantly, I promise you that. Step 4 is use past data to create a forecast. This is super important because creators don't have fixed salaries, but your content trends and income are patterns. Use them to predict. My name is Fizan. I'm a qualified chartered accountant, and I've helped creators making 100K and others doing 3 million pounds, and they all hit the same wall at some point in time. They're working hard, they're earning well, but because no one has ever showed them how to manage that money, they still feel stuck, and that's what I fixed. Hit that like and follow button if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.